Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make canned corn in microwave. Drain the can, add 1 tablespoon butter, and 2 tablespoons water to a microwave-safe bowl, then stir. Cover loosely so steam escapes and heat on high in short intervals, stirring between sessions. Season after heating with salt and pepper, or add herbs and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Start by inspecting the can and gathering a microwave-safe bowl, butter, water, and a cover. Drain the corn well and transfer it to the bowl, then add measured butter and water. Cover loosely and plan short heats with stirs to prevent hot spots. Taste and adjust seasoning after heating, and remember that residual heat will finish cooking the corn gently without overcooking. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a pleasantly bold car scent that makes driving after cooking corn more enjoyable and less odorous. It pairs humorously with microwave meals by keeping your ride fresh even after tasty kitchen experiments. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place the covered bowl in the microwave and heat on high in 30 to 45-second bursts, stirring after each interval to distribute heat. Depending on microwave wattage, expect about 5 to 3 minutes total until kernels are hot and tender. After the final interval, leave the bowl covered for 1 minute so heat evens out and juices redistribute, then season and serve warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.